Hello, I'm back. And in the break, I didn't really get much further with this. I did create a settings view because we want to have a similar settings and display view, but I'm still not sure how to actually set this stuff up. So I'm going to dig back into the analytics module and see if I can figure it out from there. Resources analytics. You see, this confuses me. There's a webpack config, and this appears to construct stuff, but I'm not sure where it constructs it to. So I'm going to copy this directly into here and just neaten up a little bit. We'll say followers, still pestered about the fact that we can't seem to namespace this stuff. All that stuff says the same. I don't know about UIKit. Also, dashboard is weird. Anyway, let's do this and let's rebuild that and refresh this. Let's see if it does anything. Nope, doesn't do anything there. Did it end up building anything here, or do we need to run something on this? I'm just going to head over to the PageKit GitHub stuff to see what we need to do to build that stuff. So specific. Head over to that PageKit stuff to build the stuff. README. Installing it. Wow, I did not. Whew, okay. npm install. I kind of forgot that npm. So running that, bower update, gulp, and webpack. What's this looking like? Come on, npm. I put the progress handler thing off. You know, about a month ago, there was this thing all on the internet, or on Twitter at least, about npm being really slow while you had progress enabled, and then if you turn progress off, it would speed up. Turns out, about 24-ish days later, it still hasn't been fixed. So, so it's still, you can use an unstable version of npm 3 to get that speed boost, or you can just disable progress like I've done and use a stable version and it'll speed up. But there are probably tons and tons of npm dependencies that are busy being resolved or installed, and I'm really not keen on hanging around and waiting for it all to be done, so don't know what to do about that. Babel does seem to be enabled for this, so I'm curious to see what people have, if people have written any ES6 stuff for it. I don't see anything there. I don't see any ES6 stuff here. I see Lodash. Oh, I've just realized something horrible. Lodash and jQuery are installed. That is horrible. This page size must be enormous. Anyway, anyway. Also, I haven't had much experience with UIKit. That's a really cool track. That's a really cool track. So is this some pre-built stuff, or like a bootstrappy sort of thing? I don't know. I should really look into that. I am generally so far away from front-end dev stuff that it's not even worth mentioning. So this is taking quite long. I don't know what to make of that. I'll tell you what though, I'll try and get back to the investigation that we had. Now, what in this analytics code loads the views? I'm going to ignore languages for now. Is it this stuff that loads the views? No. So this isn't initialization, this is internationalization. And I guess this is a default locale and then the one that's been set. So I would kind of have to do this and have translations for this if I wanted to do like a legit module. But then, okay, presets, not really important for me. Analytics config, the Google Analytics JS API, and like a compressed version of this. Okay, so this is, oh, I see what's going on here. I actually do need this, and I do need this defined in my app, I think. So, resources. I do need this defined in my app, because I think that this is what allows me to load compiled stuff, the stuff that Webpack compiles. Oh. Anyway, what's npm doing? Just taking really long. Sure. I mean, why not, hey? It's not like I have anything interesting that I need to be doing at the time. Okay, so if I go back to this PageKit Analytics thing, this namespace makes me think that you require that defined resource to be able to load Analytics app bundle. And the Webpack stuff that we've got set up says build these files what? I'm kind of confused now. Okay. Okay, I understand a bit more about what's going on now. So I need this file in here, followers.js. These view things are obviously loaded and interpreted through the Webpack setup that's going on. Followers, and settings. That's fine. Settings HTTP is analytics. HTTP is before send options URL. What's that about? I don't think I actually need that. For now, I'm not going to do any Ajax stuff, so I'll delete that because I don't really need it. I don't need to initialize that. I'll add this and initialize the settings module. So $followers settings append to body. Really? I mean, I guess. And I'll just clean this up a bit. Okay, that seems fine. So I think once this is built, it will bundle this file to here. I think that's the case. I don't think I need JSON. Do I need JSON for configuration maybe? Yeah, I'll keep this in. I'll keep this in because maybe I'll need like Twitch endpoints or something interesting. So I'll keep that in there. Let me just check. No questions in chat. It's a really quiet chat night. Anyway, is NPM done yet? NPM is done. Okay, but now I need to do Bower updates. So there's that. Oh, that's interesting. Node modules. Bin. No Bower. Apparently, I'm supposed to have Bower installed as well. So there's that. Is there a separate client library and CLI? Installing Bower. Nope, doesn't appear to be. Is there a separate gulp client library and CLI? Gotta install all of this crap. docs. Yes, there is. Which means I've got to install that as well. Okay, so I've ignored these two because the last time, I was saying yesterday, the last time I tried PageKit and did this, it broke. So I'm just using the stock standard versions they give me. I'll do this later when I'm a bit more confident in its ability not to break. By the looks of things, I'm going to need Webpack installed as well, because I'm guessing it's not going to just install with npm. This kind of bugs me. If I were them, I would put the CLIs in the packages JSON file, and then I would have a node script that you could run instead of having to install these things globally. I mean, that kind of sucks. Installation. Sure, let's just install this globally as well. Why not? Why not? Okay, so gulp's there, Webpack's busy being installed. Then I'll actually create a config file. I don't know if this is the right name for it, but anyway. And the endpoint that I'll use for this is the Twitch endpoint here. Now I probably need to do some more complex things to this to bypass rate limiting and to select the correct version of the Twitch API I'm using. The docs have a lot of details on this, but I don't want to authenticate with this at the moment. I'd actually prefer just to make GET requests to it just for the proof of concept that I'm putting together now, and then I can embellish that later. Come on, Webpack. So I'll be loading this in and make requests against this endpoint with like some stuff on, like channels username follows. I'll try and do that. I'm not going to cache these for the moment because I don't need to. Again, just a proof of concept, just trying to do something really quick. And yeah, so not much I can do but wait for. Okay, Webpack's done. Webpack's done. Yeah, woohoo! Webpack's done. Okay, gulp, because apparently we need to run this, and then Webpack because apparently we need to run that. And after all of that absolute nonsense, we should have the bundle files built. So we should have a JavaScript file, a bunch of HTML files in the bundle folder, bundle followers. This doesn't actually fill me with that much confidence. This doesn't fill me with that much confidence. Module exports. Okay, so it does actually load everything into this one bundle file. That's pretty creepy. Guess it does that for that as well. Okay, now if I refresh this, am I going to have access to this widget? Is it going to just break the interface? Who knows? Who knows? Add widget. It's not there! What are you doing to me? Why is this not there? Settings. Disable. Enable. For what that's worth. I've just basically done the equivalent of restarting, and that's not working. So there is that. Okay. So I think I know why. Again, going back to how analytics bundles this stuff. If I have a look back here in scripts, not that, sorry, index, this I need to load. I need to load this in there. So I'll dissect what that stuff means now, but oh, not in main though. Not in main. Back here, this is within an event, right? Before dashboard. Very good. I'll delete most of that stuff though, because who needs that crap? So events, indent that a bit. Let's drop all that stuff. Then let's make all this stuff a little bit cleaner. Okay. So scripts register widget followers, and yet here that dash is allowed. I don't know. Followers, followers, so much repetition. This gives me dashboard, Google, and analytics config, which I don't need. I just need dashboard, I think. So what does this do for me? No! No! Webpack. What did gulp do? What's gulp responsible for? Do I have to run gulp and then webpack every time I make a change? That would be really annoying if that were the case. I saw some hot swap code before though. I mean, is that a thing? Like, does that just allow you to make changes to this and it's supposed to refresh itself every time? I don't know what's up with that. I'll have to experiment with this far more if I am to feel comfortable about this. Okay, refresh. I can close that and that. Still don't have it. This is impossible. Impossible. Okay. Dashboard, followers, append to body. Is this loading anything in here? I'm starting to get frustrated with this. Elements. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. There is something in there. The thing is, okay, so here's the thing. I don't know anything about Vue.js either. And this is all new to me. I'm basically coming into this CMS from the point of view of someone who's done a bunch of PHP and is really interested in learning how to extend PageKit. And so far, just using it has been pleasant, but actually extending it turning out to be a little bit of a problem. And I guess it would help if I went to the docs and read through all the docs, but my nature is such that I'm just going to try and figure it out without doing that. So maybe it's time to turn to the documentation and see what's really happening, see what's really up. I thought it would be enough just to copy what was there, but anyway. Dashboard widgets. That's what I want to know. Show me the dashboard widgets. Show me. It's taking really long to load. Hello? Who's this? Interesting. Okay. Creating a widget. You actually have to have that code in there? What? Analytics, component, settings. There is actually exported code in here. What on earth is this about? I feel super dumb now. Okay, I'm going to close this and I'm going to look straight to here. Let's get the script into the widget. So this is in settings, I'm guessing. Type ID settings. Hello. Well, what's this for? I'm just going to leave it with whatever is there. Props, widget editing, hello. And I'll call this followers. And I'll refresh, because I want to see this work. Nope. Nope, 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 no. Okay, let's do a similar thing. So, okay, I think I'm also overcomplicating this because I am trying to do the settings and display thing that the analytics thing has. Wow, really being specific again. I'll leave these both as hello. Just all defaults. Dashboard components, followers, settings. I'll do it like this. Oh, it's actually annoying trying to jump into this and having even slight troubles because display. Because then I try and make many changes at the same time and some of them just don't work. Gulp Webpack. Okay, run that stuff. And refresh. All these things. Oh my gosh, why are they all there? Okay. Okay, PageKit. Here we go. What does this define? Analytics, disable toolbar. True. Okay, I'm going to add one of these. Hello, followers. Add the second one, followers settings. Add the third one, followers. So, okay, something weird is going on with my configuration of this. But I actually just don't understand enough about Vue.js to make sense of what's going on here, and that bugs me. It bugs me that I have to know Vue.js to get this to work. That actually bugs me. I mean, this is not an insignificant amount of scripting and styling. It's actually quite significant, and I'll have to dig into this off screen. Okay, I'll tell you what though, I'm going to take another break, so I will see you in